Hi students, welcome back to our channel Learn with Asha Harish. Now in this session students, today I'd like to share with you some important shortcut tricks in simplifications. Okay students, in this mainly about 3 rules we have to learn in this session. The first one is digit sum rule, and the second one is unit place rule, and third one is tens place rule. For suppose if you take any number, here I am going to write 4368. Okay, to this number digit sum rule means all the digits you have to add, and units place rule means nothing but units place, unit digit is in ones place, so you have to consider this units place digit. Now third rule is tens place rule. Tens place rule nothing but you have to consider the tens place, ones place number and tens place number also, so last 2 digit number you have to consider. Okay students, in this the first rule digit sum rule, in this rule you have to remember one thing here. The first step is elimination of 9. You have to do this. Okay, elimination of 9, and here always you have to take the 9 value is 0. Okay students, now let us see one by one just 10 solved examples I'd like to share with you, and by applying these 3 rules. Okay students, just let us get into our today's session. The first question is 4368 plus 2158 minus 596 minus how much is equal to 3421 plus 1262. Okay, if you do the lengthy calculation of this question, you may take so much of time. By applying these 3 rules, digit sum rule and units place rule and tens place rule, any one of these if you apply, the time calculation is very easy, the time will be less. Let us see now. First of all, you have to apply the first rule here, that is digit sum rule. Already I told you, in this digit sum rule 9 is equal to 0, and elimination of 9. If you see here, the first one here, 4 plus 6 plus 3 plus 8, that is 6 plus 4, that is 10, 18, 18 plus 3, 21. In this 21 also again you have to add 2 plus 1, so 3. Directly you can write here 3 plus, let us see this number here, 8 plus 1, so that is 9, so 9 should be eliminated here. Then 2 plus 5, that is 7, minus here 9 is eliminated, 5 plus 6 is 11, 1 plus 1 is 2, minus here there is no number, we don't know, so you can take it as x is equal to 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. So these 3 numbers are eliminated here. 1 plus 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 plus 1, 2. So this is the number we have got by doing digit sum rule. Now let us simplify this. 3 plus 7, 10, 10 minus 2, 8, minus x is equal to 1 plus 2, that is 3. Okay, now 8 minus x is equal to 3. Instead of x, if you take here students 5, then only you should get here 3. Now let us see options for this question. What we have: option A 1066, option B 1174, option C 1247, option D 1384. In these options, which one is the correct one? Let us see now. Here in the place of x, if you take 5, that will be the answer. And same the digit sum rule, if you apply to these options here, then 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 means again 1 plus 3 you have to do, then students 4. And for option B, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7, 9, so this 9 eliminated, so here 4 you got. Right, now for option C, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 14 means again you have to add those two numbers, then you get 5 here. Now 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 means 1 plus 6 is 7. Now the desirable number is 5 here, we got it already, so here also in the place of x, that is 5. So option C is the correct one. Okay, right. Now this is about the rule 1. Now coming to rule 2, what we have to do in rule 2, that is units place method. Just by observing ones place, here is there in ones place 8, here also 8, here 6, here 1, here 2. Okay, here 8 plus 8 minus 6 minus x is equal to 1 plus 2. Okay, just basing upon ones place. Here 8 plus 8 16, 16 minus 6 is, and minus x is equal to 3. 16 minus 6 nothing but 10 minus x is equal to 3. So in the place of x, if you take 7 like this, then you will get here 3. Now coming to options, in this option C, here is there 7 in units place. So this is the correct answer. Okay, this is about digit sum rule and units place rule. And let us go for second question. 5 8 3 2 1 plus 6 9 3 8 6 is equal to x plus 3 7 0 9 8. And let us see the options also. By applying digit sum rule of this question, here 8 and 1 means 9. These two numbers get eliminated. Here 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 10. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus here 9 is directly eliminated. 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 3 23, 2 plus 3, again you have to do 2 plus 3, that is 5, is equal to x plus, here 9 is directly eliminated, and 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 means 1 plus 8, that is 9, so 9 is equal to 0. We have to eliminate this number also, so in the place of this value you have to take 0. Now that implies 6 is equal to x, nothing but x is equal to 6 here. Coming to all the options, here if you take, see, in ones place all 9s only, so the second rule, that is units place rule, that is not applicable to this question, and to these numbers 09 and 09, and these two options 19 19, so tens place two options are same, so third rule also not applicable. Let us see digit sum rule only for this. Here this 9 and this 9 eliminated, 6 7 8, so here is the number 8. These two 9s eliminated, here is the number 6. Here also these two 9s eliminated, 6 7 8, so here is the number 8. And here also same 9s are eliminated, 8 plus 7, that is 15, means 1 plus 5, here is the number 6 we got. Okay, now basing upon last two digits, already we discussed last two digits means here 21, here 86, here 98, so simply 21 plus 86 is equal to x plus 98, so here 107 is equal to 98x. Okay, now from this x is equal to 107 minus 98, that is 9. Okay students, now answer is 9 we got here, and it may be here just by doing digit sum rule, already we have an x value here 6, so here 6 already we got it, and 09 means commonly is there here in the option B and option C also, and basing upon this x value we are considering the correct answer, so correct answer is B. Right. Here see 88% of 370 plus 24% of 210 minus question mark is equal to 118. Okay students, this is basing upon percentages. Let us see. 88 percentage of 370 means 88 by 100 into 370 plus 24 percentage means 24 by 100 into 210 minus this number we don't know, so we can take it as x, so 118. These are the options we have. I have written here. Now coming to this question, first of all, the basing upon the digit sum rule, we have to do this for denominators. Here 100 is there, so 1 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 1. Okay, now this digit sum rule we have to apply to these numbers also. Here 8 plus 8, that is 16. 16 means 1 plus 6 is 7. So 7 into, here is the number 3 plus 7 is 10. So 1 plus 0, that is 1 only, plus here 24. So 2 plus 4 is 6 into here 2 plus 1 is 3, right, minus x is equal to 118. Okay, now here is 7 plus 6 into 3, 18. 18 means 1 plus 8, that is 9. So this number is eliminated from here. Then students, 7 plus 0 minus x is equal to 118. Now in the place of x, we can take, and one more thing, here this 1 plus this 8 is 9, so it should be eliminated. So here only 1, so 7 plus 0 minus x is equal to 1. Now in this place of 7 plus 0 minus x is equal to 1. In this place, instead of this x, if you take 6, this only correct. So for this, what you have to do, you have to apply that digit sum rule in these options also. Here are the options 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6 means 6, 8, 8 plus 5, 13. 13 means 1 plus 3, 4. To this number. 8 plus 5, 15. 1 plus 5, that is 6. Here also same. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 1 plus 6, that is 7. To this number, 8 plus 8, 16. 16 means 1 plus 6. The number is 7. Okay, here in the place of x, we have 6 here. Then students, option B is correct. This is the simplification of question number 3. Now let us have question number 4. Greatest perfect square number of 6 digit is. Here are the all options in 6 digit only. Then you have to apply digit sum rule, that is only first rule. Here students, here 9s are there, so simply without any hesitation you can eliminate those 9s. Here only 1. Here also these 2 9s eliminated. 8 plus 1, 9 also eliminated, so here 0 you got. Here these 3 9s eliminated, 8 you got. Here 2 9s and 8 plus 1, 9 eliminated and 1 you got. Okay. Now here is the trick you have to remember. Perfect square means in this answer you have to get 0. So this is the correct answer. And before going to do this, you have to remember, for suppose 9 square is there, answer is, you know very well, 9 9s 81. Then a simple trick here is only one digit, so simply you can write here 1. This 1 can be subtracted from this 9, so 8. Let us see next example, then you have an idea about this. 99 square means here 2 digit number, so last one should be 1, so 0 1. This 1 should be subtracted from this 99, so how much number you get? 98. So simply 99 square means 9801. And next number 999. Here 3-digit number, so simply 001 you have to take, and this one should be subtracted from 999. So 998. This is the answer of this square. Now 9999 whole square. For this also easy answer. Here 4 digits, so 0001, and that one should be subtracted from these 49. Now 99998. So 998 is the answer. Okay, this is the basic trick you have to remember. Let us go for next question here. Question number 5. I have written the next question here. 20111 into 21 into 11 is equal to how much? These are the options I have written. And if you apply the digit sum rule, that is the first rule to this question. And here 2 plus 3, that is 5 into 2 plus 1, 3 into 1 means 2. Okay, here 5 3s 15, 15 into 2 30, and that digit sum rule if you apply to this 30, you can get 3 as the answer. Then the same rule if you apply to these options also, then how much number you should get here? So 4 plus 6, 10, 14, 19, 19 plus 1, 20, here 20 plus 10, 30. 30 means 3 plus 0, again here 3. Okay, now to this option 10, 19, 19 plus 10, 20, 27. 27 means 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So simply you can eliminate this number, you can take it as 0. Now this option 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 25, 26, 27. Here also same, 9 you got it. Okay, this should be eliminated. Now for this option D, 4 plus 6, 10, here also 10, 20, 29 plus 5, 34, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Now just by seeing of all these options, here 3, here 3, you got it. So without any hesitation you can say that option A is correct answer. Let us get into the next question. Question number 6 here. Question number 6, 85793 minus question mark plus 151 is equal to 77477. Answer also they have given, but here is the question mark. We have to find out this. Let us see options also. If you see all the options, there is a repeated numbers. So these 8, 4, 6, 7. So this is a common number in all options. So students, here you have to remember one thing. There is no use of applying digit sum rule. Why? Because here are all the same digits. Now coming to units place. Units place means here is 3, here is 1, here is 7. So 3 minus x plus 1 is equal to 7. So according to units place rule. Okay, now 3 minus x, so 4 minus x is equal to 7. From this, for suppose here if you get 7, you need to do 14 minus x is equal to 7. In the place of x you can take the number 7. Okay, now coming to options, if you see the ones place, that means units place, here 6, here 4, here 4, here is the 7. So this is the correct answer. Okay, right. Now question number 7. In the 7th question, if you observe all options here, all the ones place is 1 only, so same answer. If you take last 2 digits also same, 51 51. So according to this you can understand that the units place rule and tens place rule also not applicable to this question, and we have to do that digit sum rule. Digit sum rule only here 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 means 1 plus 4, 5. Into this 9 is eliminated, into 7 minus 1 plus 8, 9 is eliminated. Here 3 plus 5, 8, and is equal to x. Now 5 into 7, 5 sevens, 35. 35 means 3 plus 5, again you have 8. So 8 minus 8 is equal to x here. Now, so 8 minus 8 is 0. Obviously, if you apply the digit sum rule to these options also, then what you have to get? In this option A, 9 is there, so 9 is eliminated. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So 9 is equal to 0. Okay. Now here in this second option, 9 is eliminated. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means 1 plus 0, that is 1. In this third option, 2 9s are there. 2 9s are eliminated. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Here is the number 8. Here 9 is eliminated. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. So 11 means 1 plus 1, again 2. So we have the number now 0, means option A is correct answer. Let us get into that 8th question. What we have in question number 8, 17 into 11 into 7 minus 70 is equal to how much? Just by doing the lengthy calculation, it takes much of time. So in all the options, if you observe, in the units place 9 is common. Okay, 9 is common, but in B and C 89 is common, but A and D 39 is common. So units place rule is not applicable, and tens place rule also not applicable to this question. Now coming to digit sum rule, if you apply to this question, here 1 plus 7, that is 8, into 1 plus 1, 2, into 7 minus 7 is equal to x. Now 8 2's 16. 16 means 1 plus 6, that is 7. 7 into 7 minus 7 is equal to x. 7 into 7 is 49. So 9 plus 4, 13. 13 means 13 minus 7 is equal to 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. So instead of x, you got here 6. Now the digit sum rule, if you apply to all of these options, if you get 6, then only that is the correct answer. Let us see now how it will be. In option A, 9 is eliminated. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Here 9 is eliminated. 8 plus 1, 9 is eliminated. Here 1, 9 is eliminated. 8 plus 1, 9 is eliminated. Here 2, this 9 is eliminated. 5 plus 1, 6. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, let us see question number 9. Here I am going to write question number 9. In this question, if you apply digit sum rule, 1 plus 4, 5 into 1 plus 5, 6 minus 4 plus 8 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 means 1 plus 5, 6 divided by 2 plus 3. 5 is equal to x is equal to, x minus 1 only. Why? Because 1 plus 0 plus 0. So now in this question, 5 into 6, 30. 30 means, according to digit sum rule, 3 you have to take, minus 6 by 5 is equal to x minus 1. Now for division, 1 should be there in the denominator. So if you multiply the both numerator and denominator, then you should get 6 2's 12. 12 means 1 plus 2, 3 by 5 2s, 10 means 1 plus 0, 1 is equal to x minus 1. So here 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is also 0. Means in the place of x you can take 1. So already you got the answer. The same digit sum rule if you apply to these options, 9 is eliminated, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 means 1 plus 0, that is 1. Now this 9 is eliminated, 7, 8, 9 here, so this completely eliminated. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 1 plus 4, 5. And here 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 13 means 1 plus 3. Here 4. Now we got the answer already. Here option A is the correct answer. Here option A. Right. Let us see the last question of this session. 7960 plus 2965 minus 8050 plus 4028 is equal to how much? Okay. Now, because of first step units place, if you observe the units place, here 0, here 5, here 0, here 8. Okay. Simply 0 plus 5 minus 0 plus 8 is equal to x. Now 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. So in this 13, units place is 3. Now if you focus on these units places of options also, here 3, here 4, here 4, here 4. Now this is unique answer, so that is the correct one. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching today. This is our today's session, shortcut tricks in simplifications. Okay, so many questions, only 10 questions I've explained to you. And what is your opinion? If you understand this class, you can share to your friends, and if you have any doubt also convey in the comment section. Okay students, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you understand this class, if you like this video, you can subscribe to this channel for my further updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.